So please both participants open our studio. Please open our studio and import ficus file in global environment. Today our task is basic plots in R. How we create different type of plots like bar graph, box plot, violin plot, line plot, point plot, smooth plot, and so on. Many type of plots are available in R. You can draw it. So I shared this file in group. Just wait 2 minutes. I share it. Sorry, 24x. No. Now I have shared file in group. Please download this file in your desktop. Please download this file on desktop and import file in global environment. Both participants, please import file. To import file, import dataset. Click on import dataset from Excel. Browse. Desktop. Ficus. And import. Please import file and type done within chat. So all participants, please import this file in global environment and type done. If you face any issue, please let me know. I will share your screen and resolve it live. Yes, it is the same document which I already shared it in group. Please import this file. When you have done this type, your file is on global environment and its preview is on screen number 1. Please type done, and then we will move to next step. Okay. Thanks, and please, Dr. Zahirul Islam, and one more participant, please. Okay. Please, can you share your screen? Okay. Please share your screen. I allow you. And please, one more participant with the name iPhone. Please let me your name. Please let me know your name. Okay. No read Excel. So click on install. Press install button. Type read Excel. Select read Excel. Select this one. Okay. No install. Yes. It's showing you Chinese. Okay. No, you need to run library, or you may be tick on here, but you need to do library. Library. Select library. Within library. No, please. Not just parentheses or small brackets. When you type library, it automatically shows you suggestion. No, remove it. Again, type library. It show you suggestion. Select from suggestion. Yes. No. Within parentheses, type read Excel. Okay. Now run it. Here is the run button in screen number 1 at right side. Yes. Click on run. Now it show in Chinese. Click on now come open screen number 3. Import dataset from Excel. Find its location where you have saved it. Ficus, open, and then import. Now you have done this step, and you need one more step. I send you a script or code. Please write this code. Please wait. I am sending you a script. Don't close your screen. Okay. Now, Dr. Zahirul Islam, I have sent an script in WhatsApp group. Please copy this script from WhatsApp group. I also send it within chat. So if you don't have WhatsApp in laptop, you can copy it from chat. Please copy the script from chat and open Untitled in screen number 1. Click on Untitled. Screen number 1 at the start title, click on it. Okay, no, paste here. Okay, run this code one by one. First run line number 2, click on line number 2 and run it. No, click on line number 3 and no, run it. Now hope your language will be changed. No, again perform line number 1. No, it is in English. So it change your Chinese language to English. Okay. And thanks, you have done all this step. And if any more participant facing this issue or any other error, you can resolve this by running this script to change language from Chinese to English. Okay, now I'm going to share my screen. So today we will work on basic plots in R. So similarly, when Dr. Zahirul Islam supervisor say, please perform or find iron concentration in this sample, the first question should be arise in his mind. What is the first question? Which instrument will be used? Similarly, when anyone give you a task to perform, any task to perform in R, the first question should be arise in your mind is that which package will be used. So when I write here a word basic plot, the first question should be arise which package will be used for plot. So when I ask you please import ficus file, the first question should be arise in your mind which package will be used to import ficus file from our computer to RStudio. So its answer is read Excel. No, we want to draw or we want to create plots in R. So the first question should be arise in your mind which package will be used. So its answer is here ggplot2 will be used for plot. So you need to check this instrument is available in your lab or not. Check here is ggplot2 available. So come on screen number 4, packages, click on packages and search here. Instead of read Excel, type here ggplot2 and let me know you have ggplot2 or not. Yes or no. I have, so I type yes. If you don't have ggplot2, type no. No. And next participant, please. Dr. Nazar, please. Have you found ggplot2 or not? Yes, okay. So I think you have already installed it. No, you need to install. If you don't have, click on install button. ggplot It will give you a suggestion. Select from suggestion ggplot2 and press install button. After installation, type done within chat. I think only one participant, that is Dr. Zahirul Islam, send message no, while other participant yes. So Dr. Zahirul Islam, kindly install this package and type done. Then I will move to next step. Okay, you need to read last line. If last line show that the package successfully unpacked and your package, and after this message search again on screen number 4. If show, it's mean you have successfully done. No, we have a machine, but before working on any machine, we need to turn on this machine. Similarly, when you want to work on our laptop, we need to turn on our laptop. So we need to turn on ggplot2 library, ggplot2, and run it. And it show library ggplot2 activated. No. Similarly, when you have a mobile phone, for example, MS Word, MS Office, for example, MS Office is a package. MS Office is a package, and MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint are the function. I give you another example. For example, similarly, for example, if you have a mobile and within mobile you have installed WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a package. On WhatsApp, you can send message. Sending message is a function. You can perform call. Calling is a function. You can send image. Picture sending is a function. You can call video. You can do video call. Video call is a function of WhatsApp. So we, in the case of WhatsApp, you have a 5 to 7 its functions. So if you want to see the function of ggplot2, you need to click on ggplot2. So if you open this and scroll down, you can see aesthetic, aesthetic color fill. All these are the function of ggplot2. You can perform all these tasks by using ggplot2. You can see lot of tasks you can done by using ggplot2. So, but for making plot, you need two important functions. That is, one is qplot, and second is qplot, and second is ggplot. Not ggplot2, ggplot. First is qplot and second is ggplot. Now, what is mean by qplot and ggplot? Qplot mean quick plot. Quick plot. When you need a quick plot, you can perform qplot, but when you need a high quality plot, you need ggplot. Ggplot mean grammar of graphics. grammar of graphics. Qplot, quick plot. So when you draw quick plot and when you draw high quality plot or ggplot, when your supervisor just say, Dr. Zahirul Islam, please just show me your data in the form of graph. I want to see, check the highest or lowest values in your data set. So you just need to draw quick plot. But if your supervisor say, Dr. Zahirul Islam, please draw a high quality plot. I want to add it in research paper for publication or in thesis or in any presentation. Then you need to use ggplot to for creating a graph or plot. Hope you have got it. What is mean by qplot and what is the purpose of a ggplot? No, first we need to work on qplot. So today we will work on qplot. So all participants know write script with me when I write, but no, you need to listen and watch carefully. So each plot have, when you see a plot or graph, each plot have three components. One is I show you in a separate screen. For example, if you want to draw a plot or graph similar like this, so each graph have two components. One is x-axis and y-axis, and this is the origin of the plot. Here is the ticks, these are the x ticks, and these are the y ticks. And here this is the scale, this is also the scale. So we need three things. One is data, second is mapping, and third is geometry. So we need three things. One is data, mapping, and geometry. What is data? Data is in the form of Excel, as we already have this data set. Is shown in the form of columns and rows, and in our case we have a data set named ficus. So we already have data. So after data you need to define mapping. Mapping means which variable we want to place on x-axis and which variable we want to place on y-axis. For example, here is a variable 1, variable 2, 3, and 4. I want to place variable 1 on x-axis while other three variables on y-axis. So it is a mapping. So in mapping, we will need to define which variable we want to take place on x-axis and which variable we want to place on y-axis. While in geometry, we define shape of graph, type of graph, like we want to draw bar graph, we want to draw a line graph, or we want to draw a box plot like this. We want to draw a point plot like this. So this is a geometry. Geometry means type of plot. Yani it's mean line graph, bar plot, smooth plot, violin plot, box plot, and density plot, histogram, and lot of type of plots are available in R. So for creating a map in R, plot in R, we need three things. One is data, second is mapping, and third is geometry. Now we provide these three things to R, and R will give us a plot. Okay. So please now write all participant this script with me. First I write here what we need for plot. First is data, second is mapping, and third is geometry. So create. So here we need to open function. Similarly, as I already give you an example of WhatsApp. When you are using WhatsApp, I have a question from you. If you have a WhatsApp and I ask you, please do video call. So which option you should will be open? Message, call, or video call? You need to open video call. When I ask you please send image, you need to open camera or images. Similarly here, when our supervisor asks please draw a quick plot, so we need to open Q plot. So open Q plot. For opening, just write here Q plot. It give us a suggestion. Select Q plot. When you select Q plot, it will give you a parenthesis. Within parenthesis, type data equal ficus, because our file name is ficus, again comma. Now we need to define here in mapping, we define x-axis and y-axis. So first is x-axis and second is y-axis. So we need to open our file and select here. For example, I want to write petal width and petal length. Petal width on x-axis and sepal length on y-axis. So I write here petal underscore length on x-axis. The first will be x-axis and second is sepal underscore length on y-axis. So this is the mapping. I defined petal width on x-axis and sepal width, sepal length on y-axis. The first one is x-axis and second one is y-axis. No, we need a geometry. Again type comma, type here geom, select equal, geom equal, and within inverted comma type point. Okay, no issue. I want to show you something. Okay. I write this spelling. I correct it one, but I ignore it second one because here I want to show uh, one trick that we can use to avoid spelling mistake, upper and lower case mistake, because R is a very sensitive for spelling and upper and lower case letter. So run this code. When you run it, you will get an error. So our today practice is about writing a script, how to write a script. In our course, we will do practice on four things, that is writing, reading, editing, and generating. So it gave us an error caused by object petal length not found. It show that petal length is not found because I already write this here is spelling is are also correct. No, check in our file. Petal length is found, but here is a uppercase letter or spelling mistake. So if I in check here is a P is capital. I type here small, so I change and type P capital. No, run it again. No, again show sepal length not found. It's mean here is also spelling mistake. So here is a very important error when it show you object not found. What error? It show you object not found. It's mean there is an error within our file. The error is related to our file. When it shows you object not found, the error belongs to our file. Find the name of object. Here is the object name sepal length. It's mean here is a spelling mistake, uppercase or lowercase letter mistakes, or maybe there is no column name ficus length in our file. So you need to again check your file. Here is a S is capital and length is LENG is present, while in our case G is absent. G and type again S capital, and no, I run it again. No, our script is correct. So important thing is that R is spelling sensitive and case sensitive. So there is a trick how to write these. These are only two variables, but in your original data set, there may be a lot of variables like 23, 25, maybe 50, up to 50 variables. So there is a very difficult to write these names one by one. So there is a chance you will get an spelling error or upper or lowercase letter error. So there is a trick how to write these. So I want to remove these two. So here is a trick you can use to write correct spelling with correct upper and lowercase letter. Type here your file name, ficus. When you type your file name, after that, just type $sign. When you type $sign, a list will be appeared. A list will be appeared. Just select here petal width, again comma, again type ficus, $sign, again list appeared, select sepal length. No, there is a no chance of spelling mistake. So we have done our task. We don't need $sign and ficus. Remove it. Also remove this. No. Again run this code and type then it show that here is a comma mistake. So run it. Now you will get a point graph. So if you have done, please copy this plot and share it within your WhatsApp group. Yes. And share it within WhatsApp group. And type done within chat. So I am waiting for your reply. If you found any error, any mistake, any warning message, please you can share your screen. I will resolve your issue live. And please all participants perform this. And type done. And Dr. Nazar, if you, okay, your VPN is not working. But okay, you cannot share within WhatsApp group. Okay, have you done? Please let me know. Have you done this plot? Yes, okay. No, if Dr. Zahirul Islam supervisor say, please draw a point plot. No, Dr. Zahirul Islam have drawn this plot and want to show this plot to his supervisor. His supervisor, after seeing this plot, say that, great, but please, can you draw a line plot on this data set? Is a point graph. Can you draw a line plot? Dr. Zahirul Islam say, yes, I can draw. Just give its heading point plot. No. Create a new heading. Line plot. No. Dr. Zahirul Islam. Copy the script. No. Sorry, one step I have skipped. No. Dr. Zahirul Islam supervisor said that please differentiate these points based on color. So I am unable to understand which species is this. This point, which species this point belong. So he need to come on again the script. After point, draw comma and right here COL. COL is another vocabulary word. It's mean color. COL mean color. Type COL equal sign and species. The S of the species is capital. So type capital and run. Now you can see plot with different color point is appeared. Copy it and share it within group. Paste it within group. No, your plot is differentiated based on color. No, if your supervisor say please draw line plot, type just heading line plot, copy this complete script, copy it and paste it within or below this heading and just replace point with line. Just you need to replace here point with line. Type here line. Sorry, line and run it. No, line plot will appear. So copy this plot and share it within group. Now, if your supervisor say, please draw here box plot, you just need to copy, sorry, heading box plot and write the script, copy it and paste it here and just need to replace line with box plot and run it. No, it is not building function. Color is a function, but species is our variable name. You can also replace it with sepal length. Based on sepal length or any other variable, you can differentiate these colors. You can see it, the colors are differentiated based on species. I just try to replace this box plot. It created a beautiful box plot, but the color are differentiated based on species. So you can change here from species to, if you have another variable, you can change it. Copy it and share it within group. Now, if you want to create a density plot, now if your supervisor say, please draw a density plot, Copy the script, paste it here, replace here density. No, you need to change density and run it. But it shows that could not find the function geom density. So here is a spelling mistake density and run it. But no, he showed that geom density requires the following missing aesthetic y. It shows that geom density or density plot just need only one axis, x-axis or y-axis. So you need to remove first one, that is x-axis. So just remove x-axis and now run this code again. You will get a density plot. Copy it, share it within group. No, again open R. No, your supervisor said that please fill these with different color. So you can also fill it after species, type fill equal species. And run it. Now you can say plot is filled by with different color. Copy it and paste it within group. Now you need to perform your task because our classes are scheduled from Monday to Thursday. So today is the last class of this week. Our next class will be on Monday. So you need to perform these tasks till to Monday. Please note task. Task 1 is just here type geom. When you type geom, it show a list of graph name. Select one albine and copy this albine. Copy and replace with your first point plot. Abline and run. It shows you abline plot. Now again you need to open geom underscore no select area. So one by one you need to draw all this plot. So if any plot give you an error, try to read. If you are unable to read, just ignore it. If plot done, copy it and share it in group. If it show error, ignore it and move to other plot. So I need to draw a blind plot, paste, area plot and run. It show me the area plot. Okay, no. So similarly, if I run here geom underscore bar, it show you an error. Just click bar, paste here instead of area and run it. It show you an error. So if any plot show you an error, ignore it and move to next plot. Geom 2D bin, copy this, bin 2D, copy and place it instead of bar and run it. You will get this plot. So this is your task and draw all these geom plot within 3 days. Okay, thanks. If you have any question, you can ask within group. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.